Let's start with question number 29. Partnership deed of C and D, who are equal partners, has a clause that any partner may retire from the firm on the following terms by giving a 6-month notice. The retiring partner shall be paid, first point, the amount standing to the credit of his capital account and current account. Second point, his share of profit to the date of retirement, calculated on the basis of average profit of the 3 preceding completed years. And third point, half the amount of the goodwill of the firm, calculated at 1.5 times the average profit of the 3 preceding completed years. C gave notice on 31st March 19 to retire on 30th September 2019. It means C is retiring after 6 months. When the balance of his capital account was 6,000 and the balance of his current account debit given was 500. Profit for the 3 preceding completed years were 2800, 2200 and 1600. Okay children. So what we calculate? First we calculate his share of profit to the date of retirement. Okay, who is taking retirement children? Here you can see C gave a notice. It means C is taking retirement. So first we will calculate C's share in profit. Okay, so how to calculate C's share in profit? It is mentioned his share of profit to the date calculated on the basis of average profit. So first we need to compute average profit, isn't it? How to calculate average profit? We add the profit of 3 years, 2800 plus 2200 plus 1600, divide by 3. Solve it. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 5, 6600. Divide by 3. So 2200 is your average profit. And here it is clearly mentioned. Basis of average profit of the 3 preceding years. Okay. So how to calculate C's share of profit? In this 2200, what is C's share? Both are equal partner. So 1 by 2 is his share. And C is taking retirement after 6 months. So we will calculate for 6 months. Can we calculate this? Half of 2200 is 1100 and half of 1100 is 550. So this is his share of profit, C's share of profit. I hope it is clear to everyone. Okay, now let us calculate his share of goodwill, C's share in goodwill. Okay, so here it is mentioned half the amount of goodwill of the firm calculated at 1.5 times the average profit. 1.5 times the average profit. So average profit is 2200. So we will calculate goodwill. Average profit is 2200 into 1.5 times. 1.5 time means 1.5. Multiply with 1.5. Again 3300. Okay. And half of the goodwill. Half of the amount of goodwill of the firm. So we need to do half. So multiply by 1 by 2. So what we get? We will get 1650. This is the share of goodwill. C's share of goodwill. Okay. This is C's share of goodwill, 1650. So these 2 points we have computed, and now we will prepare partner's current account first, and then we will prepare partner's capital account. Okay. So let's start C's current account. Debit side, credit side. You can see in the question, here it is clearly mentioned current account debit Okay, he is having debit balance of rupees 500. So we will write start with debit side. To balance brought down. How much? 500. What we transfer here? His share of goodwill and his share of profit. What is his share of profit? 550. Isn't it? So his share of profit is transferred here. How much? 550. And then his share of goodwill 1650. Who will give? The name of partner is D. D will give. So by D's capital account, how much? 1650. And what he gets? You can see capital is given. So capital we will transfer to capital account. Goodwill we have transferred and his share of profit we have transferred. Okay. So let us do the total. So what you get here? Uh, 2200. Correct. 2200. Where we transfer this current account balance? To C's capital account. How much? Yes, 1700 will come. Correct. Where this will transfer? C's capital account. Now simply we will prepare C's capital account. Huh? By balance brought down 6000 is given. And you can see from here 1700 will come from current account. Debit to credit. So here we will write by C's current account. How much? 1700. 7700. Now C is taking retirement. This is what the point which I want to explain. C is taking retirement. So his, if it is mentioned in the question that it is paid, then we will see what to do. But nothing is mentioned. Then we open partner's loan account to C's loan account. How much? 7700. So the partner who is leaving the firm, the amount payable to partner is transferred to his loan account. I hope the question is clear to everyone.